For today's property tour, we are going to be checking out floor plan Pine in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison. Let's see if it's a right fit for you. Stay tuned. My name is Romero Fragoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor and I specialize in new construction. If this is your first time to my channel, what I do on my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering so you can decide if the home and community is right for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. Buying a new build is exciting, but there is a lot to consider. There's pricing, there's incentives, there's what is included with your home. That's what I'm here for, to help you through the process and to find that perfect home for you. For today's tour, we are in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison in Henderson, the master plan of Cadence. And in this community, they actually have two different collections. So they have the collection Melanie and Harmony, and each collection has 5 different floor plans. So let me give you some details about this community. So here, like I mentioned, 10 different floor plans here available. They range from 1,856 square feet to up to 2,784 square feet. And they range from 3 to up to 6 bedrooms. And they also have either 2-story, even up to 3-story homes here in this community. Also, this community is located in the southeast of Las Vegas. So you're gonna be about 25 minutes to the Strip, you're 20 minutes to the airport, and about 20 minutes to downtown Las Vegas. And average lot size here in this community is around 35 to 4,000 square foot lots. HOA is $75. And what does the HOA include? It has, you have trails, you're gonna have Olympic sized community pools, parks, barbecue areas, dog parks, and much more. Also here, lot premiums, they range from $0 to up to $40,000. So it just kind of depends on the lot you go with. Also for upgrades, you will hear us mention the base price. That is just the base price, guys. So you'd have to add the lot premiums if there is, and also account for any upgrades. So here in this community, I would say about 10 to 15% additional to that base price. And I'll give you a rough idea of the upgrades you go with. Now, let's check out the model home to see if it's the right fit for you. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Pine in the community of Harmony by Taylor Morrison, the grand master plan of Cadence in the city of Henderson. And this one comes 5 to up to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to up to 4 bathrooms. It is 2,779 square feet, 2-car garage. And this one, the starting base price for this one is $520,900. So really quick, let me show you the exterior. You got your pavers for your driveway, you got your front landscaping, which will be included with your home purchase, guys. What will not be included is gonna be the backyard landscaping, guys. And I cannot wait to show you this home because it does have that dual primary. Let's go inside, take a look at this beauty, and hopefully by the end of this video, you decide if it's a fit for you.
Front door.
All right, so you got the 24 by 24 tile, got the 9-foot ceilings. Here off to the left immediately, guys, is to your 2-car garage. We won't be checking out, it is locked. And then here off to the left also to go to the 2nd floor. So we'll start right here. Check this out, guys. Got the living room, dining, kitchen. They got a steady room right there. Not too bad, right? Got your living room, good sized living room. Let's say it's a decent sized sectional. Then you have your kitchen. Quartz countertop, sits around 3 people. This one has a nice, I mean, I don't know if you like it, but I think it's, I mean, if you tell me blue, I'm kind of like, what? But once you see it, those blue cabinets is pretty nice with the gold hardware. Not too bad. Let me know in the comments below if you're with me or you're against me. It's okay to be against me, guys. Got your stove, your microwave, stainless steel undermount sink, the dishwasher, your refrigerator. Then right here, got your pantry. Check it out. And right over here. All right, so here is the backyard. Like I said, average lot size here is you're gonna be around the 3,500 square foot to around like 4,000. Lot premiums 0 to up to 40K. And like I said in the beginning, you're not gonna get the backyard landscaping, guys. You can see also, this one doesn't have a covered patio. So it's pretty cool that, you know, in this community, kind of show you a little of everything, right? With it and without. And just keep in mind, guys, per the HOA, you do have 12 months to complete your backyard. So set some money aside. Just know that, you know, you're not gonna get this landscaping. Some people, I've had, you know, people reach out to me and tell me their experience about buying a new construction home. And they mention like, here, or like when I did like the final walk, I didn't realize that the backyard landscaping was not done. So just don't, I warned you. That's why I have your own realtor, guys. That way, you know, we go over everything what the home includes, and that way you have a better understanding. But here so far, you know, dining, living room, and kitchen. Let me know your thoughts so far. And then let's go over here. We'll check out this study room right here. Let's check this out. Had an agent just walk in that I know. And then right over here. So I would imagine you could convert this into a bedroom. Because I mean, obviously you already have the closet space. Then you do have the powder room right here is down here. But I'm assuming this is gonna convert into a full bathroom. Then that is two. What is this too? Okay, I almost said that's your 2-car garage, but it didn't look like it. So go closet. See, I already lost where I was at in this house. Already toured. This is the 4th one I toured, so get a little confused at times, guys. That's to your garage. Now let's go upstairs. And I know I say it in all my videos, guys, but so we head upstairs. I want to share something critical. If you're considering a new build home, it's vital to bring me or your trusted realtor along with you on the very first visit to the builder. Because if we're not there from the start, the builder may prevent us from assisting later. So why so important? Unlike the builder's agents, guys, they're there to protect the builder's interest. I'm dedicated to you. So my role is to ensure you secure the best deal possible at the end of the day, guys. Sidestep any common pitfalls and protect your interest every step of the way. So if you're like a seasoned realtor by your side, and I hope that's me, reach out anytime, guys. I will have my contact info below. Let's make this exciting journey smooth, savvy, and fun for you guys. As soon as we come upstairs, guys, loft, laundry room, that has to go to the 3rd floor. I cannot wait to show you. And over here, you have your primary. So this has dual primary, so we'll see that one in just a second. But before, let me show you this side. Linen closet. So bedroom number 1. This window is facing the front. Look at this. Got a walk-in closet right here. Now we have bedroom number 2. And then your hallway bathroom. Dual vanity, and you got the tub, stand-up shower, prefabricated. Oh, then let's go check out that primary, because this one does have dual primary. So actually, I show you the laundry room. Let me show it to you. Don't forget. Make sure I want to show you everything really good, because don't know where you're watching this from. And my goal at the end of the day, guys, is just to make it easier, no matter where you're watching. If you're out of state, out the country, here locally, save you some time, air time, and some gas money. Here's the primary, good size, king size bed. Got two windows, one there and one over there. And your bathroom. Look at this beauty. What do you guys think? Tile flooring. I'll show you a different angle in just a second. Toilet. And also, like in my other videos, here, this is an upgrade, guys, as modeled. It's this one. And if this is be your standard. So it looks like your standard, you're gonna have, I'm trying to figure out, understand it. Just probably like just a basic, you know, stand-up shower, and then in between, you're gonna have probably like a linen closet right here, and then obviously it's gonna be your walk-in closet. But if you can, definitely I would recommend getting this upgrade, guys. I know things add up, I get it. I'm just saying, that's why I say if you can. If not, no biggie. But check this out. Does have a bench. Got that nice backsplash tile all throughout. Really nice. And it has the step up right here. Now let's check out your walk-in closet. Really nice. Now, we're not done yet, guys. Now we gotta check the 3rd floor out. So I know definitely 3 stories is not for everyone, but this community got it just in case you want that 3rd floor, right? More exercise. I love it. I'm definitely getting an exercise today because, you know, I shoot these in English. I also have a Spanish channel, and I also shoot them for Instagram. So, you know, I spend hours in the community, and I do it all for you guys at the end of the day, guys. So you guys can see it. But look at this. Really nice. Nice loft area. Got the nice table right here. Play some dominoes or some cards. You also got the nice balcony that I can't go out there. Yeah, we're definitely standing a little high right now. I'm being in height, guys. Look at that. Not too bad. I would say it's about a 5 by 8. I don't know. Just a rough guess, guys. Here it is. Now let's check out that 2nd primary, because this has a dual primary. Look at this. Let me know which one would be your primary. Me personally is gonna be the one on the 2nd floor. I don't know about going to that 3rd floor to go to sleep. Sometimes I could barely get to my bed as it is 3 stories, I don't know. Toilet, it's got the tile flooring. Before we go any further, let me show you here off to the right. Cool, so you have, obviously that's not included, but you have a stackable washer and dryer laundry room right here. Perfect, that way you do laundry, you're not going To the second floor, you have your own laundry. Pretty cool. I do like that feature. Very thoughtful of them. Dual vanity, can lighting. Then look at your shower. Definitely the other primary is nicer in my opinion. This one's not bad either. Oh, okay, this is a good size. Got surprised here. Not too bad. Definitely bigger probably than, that is bigger than the other primary we just checked out. But I mean, this concludes this property tour, guys. Let me know what you think of this floor plan Pine. If you want to come and schedule a private showing here in this community, or maybe another community or resale homes looking to sell, I would definitely love to opportunity to earn your business and be by your side every step of the way, guys. So contact info will be below. And like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this tour, do me one big favor. Actually, maybe three. It depends if you're a current subscriber. Like this video, subscribe, tap that bell. That way you're notified on any upcoming property tours. Until next time, guys.